So today we're in Frederick, Colorado, just taking the dogs for their morning walk. I need to kind of try to walk off yesterday's physical therapy appointment. It was pretty rough. They told me to start trying to walk around more, even though I'm in pain, so that's what I'm trying to do. Fun fact about this place is my mom used to bartend here, and my family would get all drunk, and I was just a little kid. They'd get all drunk here at this place, and then I'd go across the street that used to be an arcade while the family was getting drunk. Some good memories. It's closed down though. Kind of sad. We're gonna go grab some lunch at the store and get Megan's mom some coffee. I've been eating too much carbs. I need to start adding more protein to my diet, less carbs. I don't know why, just when I eat more carbs, I just bloat, and I don't feel very good. And it could be like good carbs too, not even bad carbs. And so I need to go back to like lower carbs, more protein, and stay within that calorie deficit. So I'm gonna go get some chicken. This year, for some reason, I haven't really been into the Christmas spirit. We're just only, what, 2 days away now until Christmas. And it kind of sucks because, you know, normally I'm the type of person that's always excited for Christmas, always excited to see family and hang out with everyone. And it's just, this year, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like Christmas. I don't know if it's the really warm weather we're getting in Colorado. Normally it's colder, it's snowier, and right now it's almost 70 degrees and almost before Christmas, and it's kind of crazy. So I don't really know what's throwing me off this year, but I'm not really just in the spirit like I used to be. Puppies, we got some chicken. We got some chicken, bros. Oh, it's so dirty in our van right now. So dirty. Just got a rotisserie chicken, or I like to call them. What was the word I used to call them? Roasted-terry chickens. Roasted-terry chickens. Got that for lunch, and probably will share with the dogs. I probably need to clean the van. It's really messy. I'm gonna rest a little bit because my foot's hurting. Maybe I just need to watch The Grinch. Maybe that'll put me in the Christmas spirit. I don't know though. So yesterday's video was supposed to be about this drone that I had sold some stuff at Best Buy and sold enough to be able to get this drone. It's an awesome FPV drone. I've been doing the simulation a lot and I keep crashing, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this drone or not. I thought it was going to add some cool, unique video for our channel, but I just don't know anymore. So I don't know. I might keep it, I might not. Yeah, maybe I'll work on some of the simulation stuff right now while I'm resting my foot and kind of show you guys how it works. So this is the DJI FPV drone and it is really awesome. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys just so you guys can see what it does. It is pretty cool. Watch this. If I can do it. That is cool. I love just turning it on. It is awesome. So what all comes with this is a headset and a controller. Let me see if I can turn this off. Trying to do everything with one hand. What are you doing, Megan?
Hi.
She's trying to get
find
batteries.
the batteries. Vacuum. Oh.
So right, a lot of hair. Yeah.
Oh,
So
excuse me.
here is your battery that connects to your headset. And you have to use this. You can't use any other battery system, which kind of sucks. I really don't like that. Alrighty, so you open this. We got our headset. And then in here we got our controller. And that's pretty much all you need. To do the simulation though, you have to plug it into your phone and run it on the simulation, which I'll show you guys that stuff. So you connect this part, this cord, and you connect that to your battery. Then you have this other connector that goes right here with the USB-C, and that will where you plug your phone into here, and it plugs into your phone, and that is how we will run the simulation. And all you have to really do is just, the controller doesn't have to plug in anywhere. You just flip this up, turn it on, and there you go. And yeah, I'm gonna have my screen sharing on my iPhone so you guys can see the simulation while I'm currently trying to fly it. Okay, so right now we got the flight simulator up and going on my phone, and then we'll plug my phone into the headset and we'll do some test flights. I think today I am gonna actually take it out and fly the drone and see how we do before I decide if I want to keep it or if I want to take it back and maybe use the money on camera equipment. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. All right, everything's all connected, ready to go. We have Academy, free flight, or time trial. We are gonna do free flight for just this little short period so I can show you guys. I might do academies too, I don't know. Maybe that might be actually good before I fly the drone. So let's do that. So we're gonna do free flight and enter. All right, let me put this on my big head. I probably look weird, right, Megan?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's the factory, and I don't know what the other one is. I'm just gonna click on that one. All right. All right, so we are in, I don't know what mode we're in. Let me fix my stuff here. This is another reason why I might take it back, is that it makes me sick. Okay, what mode are we in? Oh, we're in, okay, so we're in manual mode. So let's just go to sports mode for a moment. Sports mode's not too bad. You can do like spins. Well, actually you can't do like spins. In sports mode, you're kind of limited. Let's see here. Let's see if I can fly through the building for you guys. Here we go. Whoa. This is what's crazy. Oh man, it's making me nauseous already. Alright, go through like that. I've been kind of training excuse me. I trained with it yesterday for about, I'd say about 4 hours, and I had a really good video, but that all got deleted, unfortunately. So I'll make it a new one. Go through here. Oh, I crashed. It is tough. I don't know how people do it. So here, all right, let's go to normal mode. So normal mode is like when you want to get your cinematic. Now this drone, you might be able to do a little bit more cinematic, and how I do cinematic shots is the way that I move the joysticks. I can't really show you guys my joysticks right now, but what you want to do is you want 2 movements, very slow. So like forward and like down. And you see how that's giving me a cinematic look in a way? It's giving me like a very cinematic look. So that's what you want to do even on your normal DJI drones. Like the one that I have, the Maverick or the Mini 2, it gets really good cinematic shots by doing that. So you want like that. You see how that's more cinematic style? Like, you know, so we'll have to test this drone out later and see how those shots come out. So let's go into manual mode and see, like right there, I crashed right away. So in manual mode, from what I'm getting of, you have to keep the drone up yourself. It doesn't automatically hover. It just keeps going. So if you aim down and you let it go, it's just gonna keep going down. All right, so look here, you can do spins. Look at that. Oh, that's making me sick. And then you go look like that. Ugh, I think when you're flying it this way, it's just so hard. It is so hard to get used to. But if you can like take the time to really train with this drone and get really good, you would just come out with like awesome shots. So you can go like this. I don't know how people do it, but there's people that will be able to do this. Go into there and then come out the other way perfectly fine. I don't know how they do it. I guess just takes a lot of training and knowing your drone, I guess. See, I can't even do it. And I can't do it like smoothly either. They do it so smoothly, which is crazy. Ah! See right there, I just crashed trying, yeah. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. But you can get some really awesome footage from this too. Shots that you can't get with the normal drone, you know what I mean? Like, you can be diving down at something like that, and then all of a sudden just go whoosh, which would be pretty cool. But that's what I'm worried too about the drone, you know? It's like, if I crash this drone, it's not cheap to fix these drones. It's not cheap at all. Parts are expensive. Oh. So maybe I just need to do it more in sports mode, so I get more. Oh, yeah. I can't even do it in sports mode either. I just crashed. Alright, so I think I'm ready to go outside and do some test flights. Hopefully it'll record. I know some people say that you need 2 SD cards, one on the drone, one in the headset. I only put one in the headset, so hopefully that's good enough. Hopefully it records that because I don't have another SD card. So we'll just see how it goes. I think we're good. Well, that was fun. Scary at the same time.
How was your overall experience?
It was very fun. Don't get me wrong. Very fun.
Worth the
But
hassle?
the time that you get, you don't get very much time. And I don't think it adds anything to our videos compared to, because I like more cinematic. So I don't know if it adds anything to our video.
Is that just because you're not 100% experienced with it?
Maybe.
You can't do the cool shots like going through windows and...
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. So I still don't know yet if I'm going to keep it or not. I might keep it for a couple more days, give it more tries.
Yeah, practice more.
Practice more. But my flight time was only like 7 minutes. That's not very good, especially compared to my other drone. So I don't know. I might just take it back and get something else that will help better the channel. So I'm just going to relax for the rest of the day in the van. Relax my foot. It's really painful right now. So I'm probably play some Halo, play some other games. So I'm just going to chill in the van. Megan's going to go volunteer at her mom's shop. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys come to Hair Trends in Frederick. You only got a couple more days until Christmas.
Yep.
So come get your Christmas shopping done. Spike, I almost stepped on Spike. But we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.